Guys, there's this proverb: the Igbo tribe parents in Nigeria tell their children, and it goes like this. A tortoise asks his children, how many times does something have to happen to you for you to really learn something from it? His first child, the Okwara, he said 7 times. Then his second child said 4 times. Then when it got to the last child, he said this 0 times. He said that he doesn't have to wait until something happens to him before he can really learn from it. That he would rather learn from the mistakes of his elder brothers. So here are 10 crucial day trading mistakes that you need to learn from people that have been in this trading game before you. Before we begin, guys, I would want you to please give this video a quick like and a subscribe, and turn on the bell notification beside it to be a member of this great community. Hello guys, my name is Victor Snow. I've actually backtested my trading strategy for 25 years, and before this, you see now, I'm actually a failure. I've been in the market since late 2019, and what I do is I fail, I would come back, I fail, I come back, I keep picking myself up. What I noticed I was doing is I was learning from my own mistakes, which is good, but what I should have learned from other people's mistakes rather than wait for it to happen to me. So learn from my own mistakes. So one thing I would tell myself, or I would tell to you, is to stick to demo before going to a live account. People tell you that don't stay on demo, go to live account, which is improper. What this definitely means that if you learn a trading strategy, you have to actually teach yourself how to execute it. The misconceptions people would actually do with demo that is not proper, that is making some mentors actually tell you to stick to demo, is definitely when you get to demo, the same behavior you should reflect that you know that you're supposed to go and be reflecting on a real life. You will not reflect it on your demo. You go there, you know your trading capital is $1,000, and you go there, you will actually put $100,000. The greedy ones put $1 million. They will make what profit and say, yeah, I made $10,000 in my demo, I made $10,000. Yeah, you actually made it, but when you get to trading, do you actually have that $1 million? Can you actually make it? That makes you, if you would make small percentage of your capital, probably $1,000, you will not be satisfied with it. You will now be fighting to move your account to that dreams, wishes that you've already input inside your mind. So let me tell you here now, those that are true to themselves during demo are actually people that have that you see as profitable traders now. You have to be true to yourself. You have to be true to when you take a loss, you say that when you should enter, you enter, not input another trading. You're not gambling, no. Go and ask traders that actually have gambled with their money. They packed. They're actually in their village. They packed everything. So they came from home to be able to make something to feed home. Now they've actually come back to the home to eat from the home. So another thing we're going to be looking at, the second thing here is don't add things or remove things to your trading system that would suit your greed level. Probably change a trading system because of a loss. What this definitely means is probably a trading system cannot carry, restaurant cannot carry 5%. Because of you are greedy, you want to make so much amount of money. But your trading, you went down, you started risking 10%, 8%. Don't do things for your greed level. The longer you stay in the game, the more you understand things. Give yourself room towards risk management, makes you stay longer in this game. And don't, because of a single loss you incurred from a strategy, you move to another strategy. That person that is going to want to give you that strategy, ask him whether there is no logic in that strategy. So guys, the next thing we're going to be looking at is actually psychological preparedness. I talked in my first YouTube video here that the stress a trader experiences can equate to the stress level experienced by an emergency room doctor. Laborers that actually go out to do hard job, what the stress they get is physical stress. They don't even experience this amount of emotional stress we experience as traders. Stress, we experience stress from a loss. We experience stress from anxiety, thinking about the future. We experience stress from being depressed, thinking about the previous stress you took. You have to be mentally strong in this environment. You have to be aware, which I talked about being mentally strong. If we complete video site to getting trading psychology, do where to click on this video right here to learn more about it. Another thing traders don't talk about is trading during liquidity times. So let me make you understand this. Your trading strategy in trade signal don't mean anything if the time you want to enter there is no people actually there to push the market up to where you want to get to. Ask yourself, why is it that the same trading pattern you traded before now that is making you money, that if you take it tomorrow or next 2 days you would fail or you lose money? Because of it is people that amount. You look at people before taking trades. So examples of low liquidity periods is during holidays, which we can have US election, US public holidays in general, or any currency trading period you are trading. Example of low times, liquidity times in the market, there's something we call income tax harvesting, which I'm going to be teaching in one of my next upcoming videos. Those are low times in the market. I don't actually trade in November, December in the market. I step out and I notice that during that time it's my losing streak period. You lose the profit you made from other months. Somebody actually told me this now. Not trading is actually making money. because of what you're actually preserving that profit you already have. The fifth thing we're going to be looking at is ignoring correlations. Some people don't pay attention to correlations. See, let me tell you, there are pairs, certain pairs that move together, and there are certain pairs that move oppositely. Let me give you an example. The GBP USD and the Euro USD are positive correlated. It means that if the Euro USD goes up, the GBP USD will go up. Same likewise. The Euro USD and the USD JPY, USD CHF, they are inversely correlated. It means that what? If the Euro USD is going up, this pair will go oppositely. So as a beginner trader, if you add this thing to your trading system, it will increase your win rate. Makes you to be a little bit more sure in the market. So don't ignore them. Another thing I want to talk about is ignoring a currency pair strength. Let me tell you, there's an analysis I make on different pairs now. Pairs are being divided into what major, minor, and exotic pairs. Let me just make it short as what a new beginner trader or as a trader, avoid exotic pairs. Example of exotic pair is what? South African rands, the Nigerian naira. I'm not doing this to discredit our naira or anybody's currency, but that's just how it is. You can actually pick from the major or the minor pairs to trade. And let me tell you this also now, there are certain periods you should be trading or not. A certain pair now, you analyze it geopolitically to know the pair you probably want to trade in a year. Let me give you an example. I trade the Euro USD. Then I realized that during the pandemic, I came out with a loss in Euro USD pair. Why? Because of geopolitically we were having coronavirus. It means that no matter what your technicals is doing, it will go wrong. You take a trade, it will go wrong. So if you understand this information I'm giving you now, you choose pairs now that will suit that period. The example of pairs that will suit that period is safe haven currency, the USD CAD, the USD JPY, and gold. My friends that traded gold during that time, they were making profits at someone $25,000, $30,000 in a single trade without doing anything. You have to understand the pairs that will suit through a year. Economic effects. Remember, a pair represents economic data of a particular country. BUSD is for the United Kingdom. So guys, before we go to the seventh one, I would want you to please give this video a quick like and a subscribe. It helps grow this channel. And moreover, I have pure amazing videos coming up for you that you wouldn't want to miss. So have you clicked on it? Good. Now the seventh one is understanding how your broker's commission can affect you. Let me give you an example with this. Scalpers now, they have so much trading frequencies now, they take so much trades now. Because they take a large amount of trades now, brokers takes a certain amount of commission from them, probably a certain percentage according to the type of account they have and whether the broker is a good one or a bad one. Because of this guy trades so much trades in a day, this guy, when he comes out in a month, without this guy knowing, just from taking trades commission, now this guy is losing 7% of his account. Whether that month was profitable or not, this is what a specific amount he's losing 7% of his account from commissions from trading from his broker. It means that his accounts will always be down with 77%. And if you're not a beginner, you will not know that this thing is happening to you. This is why I tell you this industry we are is a little bit complicated. You need to follow some certain channels, some certain methods to be able to guide you through. Even though to be running around, they will take just like a cycle. And in years to come, you will not be able to achieve anything for yourself. You'll be shouting, I'm a forex trader, I'm a forex trader. You draw lines in your charts. But are you profitable? So the eighth one we're going to be looking at mind the brokers you choose because of spreads. Spread is a very, very bad thing. Spread affects you so badly. Can you know that a bad spread now can make you a trader is supposed to go in your position, but it will not go. It will hit your stop loss level before going in your position. Can you know that a spread can affect your take profit level? Can you know that a spread can affect whether markets can trigger you or not? I'm thinking about whether I will make a video about brokers, especially the broker that I use. I want you to tell me in the comment section whether you would want to see videos like this, or probably tell me type of videos you want me to make for you guys. This next step took me so much. I was ignoring this step. I ignored this step for months before this guy actually hits me so hard. Is fundamentals. Let me make you understand. Your technicals don't mean anything if fundamentals should come out and is negative. That it goes around. If you're going positive, you want to go long, and it comes out negative, that it's going to sell. It will sell for a short period of time, hit your stop loss, and follow the technicals upwards. So pay attention to fundamentals. Let me share my little secret of fundamentals. Is few hours before fundamentals, I would stop entering a trade. And if I see my interest signal, I will not enter. Then I'll wait for till after that fundamentals, I'll enter. And I don't enter immediately. I wait like 15 minutes. Ask me why. Because of spread. Because of later that's the high pump main do. Then I will just enter. So guys, the last and final one is very, very important. Do you know that your lifestyle and routine reflects on your trading? It can whether impact your trading, whether it's going to be a positive week or a negative week. Let me make you understand this. As we traders now, we don't actually see this. This things happen subconsciously to us. We are always on our screen. This means that we don't move our body around. If you're stagnant, you don't move out to collect sunlight, what it kills your inner self. When you don't exercise those muscles, it kills your inner self. What this simply means that no reason you will be depressed because of moving around, seeing people going out to get sunlight. What sends some kind of signals into your brain to release some hormones, that happy hormones and other stuff. And once you're not able to notice this now, it makes you depressed, and you'll be asking yourself what's happening. It reflects in your trading. You take a loss, which is inevitable, and when you take this loss, you feel so, because you're already feeling sad, you feel more sad. And this a predictable action of revenge trading. A quick remedy to this is that's why going out for gym, even if you don't want to go out to work out, like 2 few press-ups in your house. That's why you see in every life in a trader, that those kind of videos you used to see, you must see a trader actually before going after trading, before he ends the day, he goes out to gym, or before he starts his day, actually gym. Then you actually eat healthily. Let me tell you this now. You have to operate in 4 energy levels for you to be a profitable trader. Number 1 is going out for sunlight and gymming. Another one is eating healthily. Let me tell you, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can move from one point to another. The energy from food transferred to you will give you strength to be able to operate. Remember, you're already operating. You think that you're not doing work, you're not doing physical work, but you're doing mental work. No stress that you're collecting from trading is actually work. So you need energy from food. And another energy level you have to operate on is positive, having positive mindset with talking yourself down. Marcus Aurelius, I've forgotten his name completely. He said that we are all what we think of. What you feed your mind is what it brings out for you. When you think about negative feelings, you have negative predictable action. When you think about, I was teaching in my of my video, A Complete Idiot's Guide to Trading Psychology, that your thoughts, negative thoughts now, that trading psychology is made up of only 3 things: how you think, how you feel, for a predictable action. The thoughts are the language of your brain, your feelings are the language of your body, and which is equal to an action. When you have a negative thoughts, it will tell your body how to feel, which has an inevitable prediction of revenge trading, blowing up your account, scattering your future level. The thing you have to that will improve your energy level is going out for your work. Guys, another 15 that I just reminded myself of that kills your energy level is social media. Using your phone. You say that you don't have time, but if you should actually go to your phone now, go to your digital well-being of your phone and check out how many hours you put on different social medias. You are consuming content. Let me tell you, you have so much social media. You have Instagram, you have Facebook, you have WhatsApp, you have YouTube, you have Twitter, TikTok, any social, you have Threads, any social media that comes out now, you want to be part of it. It's not that it is bad, it's good, but one thing about this thing is that it now turns to something that gives you joy, something of fun, to something that is now an obligation that you need to carry out. And it's no longer fun. You go there, you absorb people's lifestyle, whether it's true or not. Let me tell you, people are not talking about, it is not a flex to be among all social medias. All of them are fighting how much of your attention they can retain. And attention that you can put into something useful, and attention that you can use in back testing, and attention that you can use in doing things. You create a YouTube channel, you teach people, you impact someone out there. Let me tell you, when you don't have money, the only thing you have is your time. So be stingy with your time and your energy. The only resources you have is your energy and your time. So be stingy with it. So I would want you to go apply these 4 to 5 energy levels I mentioned of to operate in these 4 to 5 energy levels. Practice it, and you just leave a comment in this video, and you tell someone to probably like this comment for you to get reminded of it, so that you can come back and tell me how much of this operating in these 4 to 5 energy levels, how it impacted your trading or your life as a whole. I'll be waiting for you. So guys, you've come to the end of this YouTube video. Here are the 10 things we talked about here. So guys, if you really found value in this video, I would want you to please give this video a quick like and a subscribe to help grow this YouTube channel and to be a member of this great YouTube community, and share this video to your loved ones on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and other social media you are at, or any other place. So guys, when I was talking in this video, I made mention of trading psychology. So here is a video on A Complete Idiot's Guide to Trading Psychology. I will see you right there.